With Giftship, show or hide a block based on information selected or entered in another block, like showing a gift message block once an upsell has been selected. Build complex logic that shows customers only the blocks they need, keeping every option set focused. Block display logic works across your Shopify product, cart, checkout, and drawer cart option sets. Let's walk through how it works. For this demo, we'll show you how to charge for the digital gift message while giving customers the standard paper gift message for free. We've drag and dropped an upsell block and added two products, a free paper gift message and a paid digital gift message. When the customer adds the paper gift message, display logic reveals the gift message block, with fields for a recipient, sender, and message. Now, when the customer adds the digital gift message instead, the digital gift message block appears. Since it's a paid upsell, display rules make it just as easy to charge for the digital gift message as to show it for free. We cover digital gift messages in a full video series. Giftship's block display logic lets you build endless combinations. Ask a question, and, depending on the answer, show or hide more blocks. Let's show you how to set one up. First, head to the Giftship dashboard and create a new product option set. We cover option sets in a dedicated video. Think of an option set as a blank canvas. Choose from 20 different blocks and counting, each fully customizable. Let's click Add Block and choose Upsell. Now that the block's been added, click on it to configure it. For this demo, we've already added two products, a paper gift message and a digital gift message. Now, add a block for each path, gift message and digital gift message. Click the block you want to show or hide, then head to its Display Rules tab. Scroll down to Block Conditions and choose the Trigger block. In this case, that's the Upsell block. Then choose Selected to trigger it when any upsell is added, or Contains to trigger it only when a specific upsell item is added. If you chose Contains, enter the name of the product exactly as it's named in Shopify. Repeat this exact step for the other block you want to show or hide, then save at the top of the screen. And that's it. Show or hide a block based on information entered in another block. Build complex questionnaires, from a simple trigger to a full series of questions, without hiring a developer or touching a line of code. It's useful for charging an additional fee for gift messages, custom engraving, premium gift wrapping, and more. Giftship. Everything your Shopify store needs for gifting. One app, one subscription.